When Sichuan-style potted landscape comes to mind, what do you picture? The shaping technique of ancient trunk wiring, or the free-spirited essence of interplay-style landscapes? But have you ever thought potted landscape making could be full of sparks and cutting-edge tech? From AI molding and 3D printing to the final display packaged with sound, light, and special effects. Today, we'll show you how a new Sichuan-style potted landscape comes to life.
所有的作品我们都需要先进行 3D 建模，然后再进行 3D 打印。
So how to make a new Sichuan-style potted landscape? The first step is design the model for the plant pot. Designing the pot model is a key feature of new Sichuan potted landscape. It blends modern sculpture concepts with traditional potted landscape craft. While you wait for the pot to be 3D printed, you can head to the backyard to pick out a plant you like. When choosing plants, new Sichuan potted landscapes follows the traditional rule of no straight trowels to create the freehand beauty. Now, just put your finished pot and choose some plant together. Even with all the new technology, the spirit of new Sichuan potted landscape stays true to the natural beauty which is the classical style always sought. Finish that steps and you will got yourself a new Sichuan-style potted landscape. Sculpture in style with motion activated lighting. For the new Sichuan potted landscape, the plant is a crowning touch. The pot itself combines the feeling of traditional ink painting with modern innovations in sound, light, and electricity effects. It shows the philosophy of learning from nature and the harmony between humans and heaven, found in Eastern aesthetics.
新参拜盆景的新主要体现在以下2点。第一个呢，就是和现代科技的应用和结合，比如说 AI 技术、3D 打印。第二个呢，和我们的当代雕塑艺术的融合，包括我们传统文化，将我们当代的审美融入了盆景造型上结合起来。通过以上2点，从而让新参拜盆景达到小则可以进入生活场景，大则可以进入户外的公共空间，让它成为具有四川符号的公共艺术形式。